let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me.
Let's go mga kakulay! Kami ang Cocketeros at ito ang
TikTok Break! Ang mananalo sa larong ito, ang unang makakabuo ng 3 ping-pong ball sa ating peanut butter bread.
Pero merong twist. Ang batala sa kada round ay uutusan ng panalong player na maging manok or aso.
May ba? Alis!
Kayong dalawa, alis.
Dahil ako ang nanalo, ang napili kong parusa kay Ran ay maging aso. Kung makakauling, naging puso.
Alis!
Okay, kaya.
May tricks? Oy, naka muna.
Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey.
Dahil sa bugang uso kahapon, gusto ko si Box maging pabo.
Ay, kuwala. Kamay na dahil.
Uy! Ay! Putang ina mo. Ay! Ay!
Maligo ka na.
Yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they.
Dahil ako ang nanalo, gusto ko maging aso si Boss P.
So putang ina. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Come on. I'm your dog. Putang ina. Ayun. Yung aso kasi namin nag-chopsticks, guys. Kaya niyan. Hindi ko kaya, guys. Oh, sarap.
Mga kakulay, thank you for playing with us. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go!
Every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my dick, I got bad intentions. Make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Peace in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the south.